The workshop is themed Communist Party of Vietnam 90 Years of Accomplishments and International Solidarity. Participants at the event expressed their impression and admiration when seeing documents highlighting the glorious milestones of the Vietnamese nation, such as the birth of the party, the successful August Revolution 1945, and the Dien Bien Phu victory in 1954.
The role of the Communist Party of Vietnam and Ho Chi Minh thought and Marxism-Leninism has been very, very important in mobilizing the Vietnamese people, in the economy, in the society, in international and national affairs. The strength of the Vietnamese Communist Party internally, inside Vietnam, and its revitalization, keeping to the principles of the founder Ho Chi Minh, is very, very important in terms of Vietnam's prestige, both the support within the country and international prestige. It's very, very important to strengthen the economy, very important in the defense of peace, and very important in raising Vietnam's prestige in the world among the family of nations.
Portraits of late President Ho Chi Minh by Canadian artists Jean-Maurice Gélinas and Guy Lapierre were put on display at the event. Works featuring the Great Spring Victory of 1975 and the Dien Bien Phu victory in 1954 were also showcased to help Canadian friends understand better about the leadership role of the Communist Party of Vietnam in the cause of national liberation, reunification, building, and defense.